In today's video, we are going to learn how to make animated Stickman videos for free using free AI tools.
We will make sure it is 100% free, and the characters stay the same in every scene.
First, look at this channel. It has about 90,000 subscribers with only 45 videos. They uploaded their first video just 3 months ago. This means they gained 90,000 subscribers in a very short time. If you watch their videos, you will see they only use static images. They don't even animate the Stickman characters, but they still get many views. I'm going to share a secret sauce that makes creating content fast and easy. I will give you a master prompt that handles everything from start to finish, including images, sound, and video production. I'm also going to show you a great tool to automate your videos so you can manage your work easily in one place.
I've put the master prompt and all the links from this tutorial in the description for you.
If you find this helpful, please like the video and subscribe so you don't miss my next tutorials.
First, I'll copy the prompt from this section and paste it into ChatGPT.
Then I go back to the Google Doc to copy the second piece of text. I'm going to paste that right into the Insert Topic part.
Finally, I click the Generate button and wait for the result to be ready. Next, I go to the Gemini website to create the images.
I split my screen, click on the Create Image option, and paste the prompts for each scene one by one.
Finally, I downloaded all the photos. Now, let's create the video. First, go to Google and search for the Grow Automation extension. Go to the web store and install it. I like to pin it so it is easy to find.
Next, click on the icon. For this to work, you must have the Grok website open and be logged in. So, click.
Now, choose the Frame to Video option and upload your photos.
Finally, go to ChatGPT and copy the video prompts from part 2. Go back to Grok and paste them into the prompt section.
As you can see, it found exactly 10 scenes using the same 10 photos I gave it.
In this extension, every 2 new lines creates a new prompt. So be careful. If the scenes don't look right, you probably put a new line in the wrong place.
Now, I'll scroll to the bottom and click the Run button. From here, the automation does all the work and turns each image into a video one by one.
Just one very important point. Do not close the Grok tab at all while it is working. Once the work is finished, the extension will automatically download all the videos into a folder for you. Next, let's create the voiceover. For this part, I use Google AI Studio. Once I am on this page, I have picked a random voice, pasted the completed script, and added a warm and motivational style. Finally, I generate the voice. Congratulations! You now have everything you need to create professional animated Stickman videos completely free using AI. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next video on your screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.